Hi guys, this is Shweta and welcome back to our channel Coffee Curves. So a couple of days back, I had taken a community poll on the type of videos you guys want to watch on our channel, and clearly the answer was home decor and makeover. I know it took me a little while to start these videos as I already had a couple of things planned out, but going forward you will see more of these home decor and makeover videos as well. On this channel, I do a lot of home decor, DIYs and even backdrop and decoration related videos. So if that is something that interests you, make sure to subscribe to this channel and click the bell notification so that you do not miss any of my future uploads. In today's video, I will be doing a small room makeover based on a minimalist and bohemian theme. I've tried to blend both the styles together. Do watch the entire video and let me know whether it was a perfect blend of both the styles or whether it was more boho for you or more minimalist for you. Now without any further ado, let's start the video. This is how the empty space looks, and the size of this room is about 9 feet by 10 feet. Starting with the first layer in my space, which is going to be this beautiful grey rug. This neutral grey rug instantly uplifted the space and made the room really bright and ready for the makeover. Pallet beds originally gained popularity for their versatility, affordability and eco-friendliness, and now they're sticking around as a top trend for modern and natural homes. If you're looking for a natural, earthy and a raw look for your room, pallet beds can be the perfect focal point for your bedroom. And with straight square lines, these beds are well suited for a clean and minimalist look. As for the availability, you can source them locally and do a little DIY and make your own bed, or you could even purchase these ready-made. For a minimalist boho theme, you can go in for a white or grey bedding. Light sheets over these natural wooden pellets will create an airy feeling and calm space that will help you feel relaxed and refreshed every morning. Here is a small hack. If you don't find the right size pellets and they're a bit smaller, leave some gap between the headboard and the first pellet, and then a little more gap in between the next two pellets, and that should solve the problem. Moving on to my next area, which is this strip of space which is just about 2 feet. I'm basically going to be adding in a lot of plants. Boho and plants go together very well. In fact, plants go very well with any theme that you have planned. Adding in elements made with jute gives the much needed warmth to a space. Now here comes an interesting idea. This is the side of a crib which I have taken off as my child outgrew it, and I wanted to utilize this in a creative way. You could even DIY and make one with a couple of wood slats, nails and wood glue. Onto this crib piece, I wanted to hang some plants, and for that I'm using these holders from Ikea. Next, I'm adding some decor pieces to this corner. So I'm just using what I already have at home. I will make sure to link some of my favorite boho decor pieces from Amazon. You can check that out in the description box below. I also added these decorative metal plates and this white fabric lamp for some light in the corner. I hung this lamp from 2 hooks fixed onto the ceiling. And with that, this corner is done. on to my next area, which is near the headboard. I'm adding these DIY hexagon shelves that I made. The video is on my channel. You can find the link to that in the description box. Onto the shelves, I'm placing these small artificial plants. You can also go in for air plants or hanging plants. To keep the whole feel of the space light and bright, I went in for these white sheer curtains, as this is the only window in the room and the source of natural light. And if you're wondering what those prints are behind the curtains, these are eco-friendly self-adhesive fabric trims by Space Tailor. I have shared all the details about this product in my previous video. If you're interested, you will find a link to that in the description box below. To accessorize, I'm hanging this antique finished gold color bell, and I did a very simple DIY for the curtain tie backs. I just used a thick jute rope, went around the curtain a couple of times and tied a knot at the back. I then added a small artificial succulent to complete the look. Next, I wanted to create a small seating space. For that, I'm using this circular metal table, which is visually very light. Round tables are very well suited for a small space like this. And since the table is see-through and not opaque, it is an added benefit. To add a little bit of warmth to this metal table, I'm adding a piece of wood at the bottom. This is actually a cake decorating turntable from Ikea, which was just lying around. I then added a few loose succulents placed in a wooden tray to decorate. And for decorating on the table, I'm placing a wooden tray along with some plants, candles and books. And then comes the seating, for which I'm using a lightweight circular ottoman. Final step, I'm placing my cushions and adding a light colored pattern throw to my bed. So that was our simple minimalist boho makeover. If you liked this video and you enjoyed watching it, please make sure to hit that like button and do let me know in the comments whether it was a perfect blend of both the styles or whether it was more boho or minimalistic for you. Also, subscribe to our channel Coffee Curves and follow me on Instagram and Facebook for our latest updates. See you all soon in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.